Hey guys, welcome back to Upquick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, Fly Cleanse Kitchen Cleaner review. So, the Fly Cleanse Kitchen Cleaner here is a multi-surface cleaning spray designed to remove grease, grime, oil, and everyday buildup from household surfaces. Now, according to the visual website here, it can be used on kitchen countertops, stovetops, glass, tile, stainless steel, sinks, and bathroom surfaces, leaving a streak-free, residue-free finish. Now, the manufacturer also states that the formula contains no harsh chemicals or toxic fumes and has a fresh scent here. Now, according to the manufacturer, the cleaner works by penetrating and dissolving grease and dirt on contact, allowing it to be wiped away with minimal scrubbing. Company also states that it helps keep surfaces cleaner for longer after each use. Now, how to exactly use Fly Cleanse here? Now, Fly Cleanse is basically quite simple. So just simply spray the product directly onto the dirty surface, allow it to sit briefly if needed, then wipe it away with a clean cloth or sponge. Now, for heavier grease buildup, the manufacturer recommends letting the cleaner remain on the surface a little longer before wiping. No rinsing is required for most surfaces, although food preparation areas should be wiped with clean water before preparing food. Now, the product is available in several bundle options. The pricing start at $34.99 for one bottle, while larger bundles include discounted pricing and promotional offers. Now, purchases are backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. And that's essentially what or how the Fly Cleanse Kitchen Cleaner actually works. So it's basically designed to dissolve grease and grime so that they can be easily wiped from a variety of household surfaces. So yeah, so if you're interested with this product here, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is always recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision here. And this applies for anything that you're buying online. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.